Hi guys, so I'm going to make you a little video so that you can see what we're doing for distance learning and hopefully I can answer all the questions that you guys have. So I want you guys to first make sure that you're on the Miss Herrera's Google Classroom. So I know in the past that we had other Google Classrooms based off grade levels, but this one is going to be the one that all of us use for distance learning. So make sure what you guys are first going to do every day is check the daily schedule. So click this link and it's going to be about the same every day, but I might add things, I might take things off, so just check it to make sure. So let's look at the daily schedule for today. So if I start with math, and remember, you only have to do whatever work for me for whatever class you come to. So if you only come to me for math, you don't need to do the language arts work. All your other work you're going to be doing through your other teachers, so either Mr. A, Mr. Forsley, Miss Rollins, or Miss Seidel. So let's start with math. It says complete one iReady lesson. So you guys should be familiar with this. Go on to Clever, and then from Clever, you're going to just click on iReady and then do whatever lesson it gives you for the day. And once you get the percentage, that's it. You're done for that one. And then number 2, so work on math facts for 10 minutes. So these are just a couple options that you can do on Clever. You have the extra math and then you have iExcel. Or if you want to go onto this website called Fact Monster, you can go on here and then you can choose what you want to do. So if you want to do addition, choose addition level 1 and then it'll just give you some flashcards and then you can keep going down the levels. If you want to skip to subtraction or multiplication division, you can do that as well. So you can do that just for 10 minutes. I just want to make sure that you guys are still working on your math facts. And then this is where it gets kind of confusing and I think a lot of you guys have had questions. So number 3, it says complete a square on the bingo board. So go back to Google Classroom, go all the way down. You're going to see on the very last thing it says bingo boards. Okay, so we're on bingo boards. So there's a bingo board for math, for writing, and for reading. You have to do one square for each every day. So since we're talking about math, let's look at the math one. So open it up and there's a bunch of things that you guys can choose from. So I'm just going to choose a random one. I'm going to choose this corner one right here. Skip count by 5 while doing jumping jacks. So I would just do my jumping jacks. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and so on. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go back to Google Classroom. And it says, so for today I have 319 because today's March 19th. Post your answers for reading, writing, and math bingo board. So you would just write, hi, my name is Miss Herrera, and for math bingo, I did jump counting by 5s. Post it, and that's it. You're done for that bingo board. Then you're going to go and you're going to play a math game for, let's do like 10 minutes. So you can either do a card game with your family, you can do ABC on Clever or Prodigy on Clever. I want you to just do some sort of math game where you're still working on your skills. And no, you cannot do cool math games. That does not count as math. So that's it for math. All of this should take you guys about an hour to do. And if you finish early, that's great. If it takes you a little bit longer, let me know and we can work something out. And that's what you would do for math. So let's jump to language arts now. So same thing. Now, first thing you're going to do is you're going to do one iReady lesson. So just go on to Clever, go on to iReady for language arts, and do whatever that lesson is. Once you get your percentage, you're done with that. Next one, this is where a lot of students were getting confused. So it says listen to a story on Epic. So you're going to go to epic.com, and then this is our class code. I'm going to show you kind of what it looks like from my end of view so that you can see. So let me log into my class. Okay, so go to Explore, and there's a ton of books here for you to look at. So we have, sorry, my computer's super slow at my house. You can look at, so you go by grade level, so choose whatever grade level you are, and then you can literally just choose a book. So like this one's like Bigfoot books, here's some comic books. And then you can just go through this website. So there's like, you can go to some that have audiobooks. Some books will read aloud to you. It all depends, and you can just search up here for whatever you're interested in the search bar, and it'll give you a ton of books that you can look at. It's a really cool website. So make sure that you use this code though to log in, because if you just try to go into Epic, you have to have a code to go on. And then the next two things, so 7 and 8 say complete a square on the bingo card. It says complete a square on the bingo card for reading, complete a square on the bingo card for writing. So you're going to go back onto our board. So go down to the bingo boards. So see how there's a writing bingo, and then here's the reading one. So you have to do one square on each. So let's start with writing. If I open up writing, just choose one box. It doesn't matter what you would do. I'm going to choose this one. What would you do if you had $100? So you're going to just go back to the feed where it says 319 because that's today's date. You would write your answers for writing. So you would say, if I had $100, I would, and then you're going to just tell me what you would do if you had $100. I want you guys to aim for about 5 sentences at least, and then you're going to do the same thing for the reading bingo. So let's go back down to the bingo cards. Let's go to reading. And then this one's pretty easy, so just choose one. So this one looks fun. Make a fort and read in it. So if you make a fort at your house and read in it, all I need you to do is once you go back to Google Classroom, that's what you're going to just tell me. You're just going to say, today, we're for the 319 because that's today's date. Tomorrow there will be a new one. You're going to just say, today I made a fort and read in the fort. And that's all you have to do. And then the last thing you have to do for the day is this really cool website called Scholastic Learn at Home. So I want you to click this link. And I want you to go down to your grade level. So I'm going to choose this one, grades 3 through 5, because that's what most of you are in. So you're going to choose 3 through 5, and then if you did this one, you can jump to day 2, but go day by day. So let's look at day 1. So it tells you all the stuff you need to do. So you can read this article, you can listen to this, you can travel, you can hang out, you can read these different articles down here. And once you do that, the next day you would just go to the next one. So here's day 2, and then here's day 3, and here's day 4, and here's day 5. So if we go back to our daily schedule, it looks like we completed everything. And then if you guys still want more stuff to do, there's some other magazines down here for Scholastic. You can keep going on Epic. Here's some math learning games, Reading Rockets. And that's your daily schedule. But really the main thing that I want you guys to remember is to post on, so because today's March 19th, this is where you would post your answers. Tomorrow I'll make a new one for 320. So I see like Olivia already commented, Bella commented, and then that's about what you guys are doing. So if you have any other questions, let me know. You guys can email me. You have all my email. I'm going to put this video on Google Classroom so you can keep going back if you need to. Your parents can call me, but I really want you guys to try and be independent this time. And if you have a question, I want you guys to try to reach out to me first, okay? You guys are going to do great. I know it's a little confusing and a little scary with all the unknown things going on, but we're going to be fine. We're all going to get through this together. And if you have any questions or if you just want to talk, you want to tell me something that's going on, please feel free. You guys can email me. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.